Nicholas is getting his first haircut.
Might not be a good one.
His first haircut. Should I just take this off
Yeah.
here? Not gonna. Are those good braids, Nicholas? There you go. He's gonna start trying to eat his hair. I need a lock of it, Dad. I guess I got one right here, but it's not a real big one. Oh, I wouldn't put him like that displaying for him.
There's your locks.
Okay, that's enough. Oh my goodness, Nicholas, you already look handsome. It already looks better. I don't want you to get hair on that raisin. Nico. Nico, ¿quieres más? Nico, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. No, don't move. Let me stop for a second so I can hold him, and I guess I'll get video after we're done. Let me zoom. You okay?
Yeah.
Even though he's moving?
Yeah.
Because you're a professional?
Done this before.
When?
I used to do it all the time.
With the babies?
Well, they're all small. They're always come in.
Uh-oh, let's get some more raisins. You ate them all. ¿Quieres más? Handsome. Nico, ¿quieres más? Ten. Do what?
He definitely doesn't like this.
Jaden?
No.
Nicholas?
Yeah.
Oh, nobody likes to have their hair cut, especially when they look like that. Jaden doesn't even like it. Nicholas, you're doing so good. Oh, don't get it so short. Are his curlies staying? Look like it.
No.
Huh?
I still don't know. I think they will. No.
He's a jumper. He's a
Nico.
jumper.
When it says back, it's like a damn jungle.
Are you like a jungle? Nicholas,
Nicholas,
stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Do you want to play with the box? Here, play with the box. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Nico, he's getting mad. You're gonna look so handsome when Daddy finishes. But you gotta stay still. Aw, he still has a bunch of curls. Yes, you were right.
Yeah, they may even get curlier now. This is what I really need to cut the traction.
You may help you there?
Yeah, this is where I need
I'm gonna stop.